Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Avis, Toronto Pearson International Airport on a Friday evening, and let's take a look at some of the cars they have available. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys haven't already subscribed, and if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button, and we'll get things started off here with the preferred and some of the upgrades. Alright, let's get started over at Avis here. In the upgrade section, we got a BMW 330i. Not sure why that Hyundai Kona's in the upgrades, but anyway, that's where it is. We got a Ford EcoBoost convertible. I really like the wheels they ordered on those. Avis seems to have them all similar trim. BMW, I think that's an X3. Not sure why this Corolla's in the upgrade section. Nissan Rogue. Here's another one of these Mustang convertibles in the upgrade section here. And we've got a Kia SUV, Nissan Murano. Hyundai SUV, we got a minivan, and a Cadillac XT5. These are preferred. One of these days I'll figure out how Avis works, but I think they assign the cars to spots, and then I don't know if you can choose the car in the app when you show up, but anyway. And then we got one of these BMW, I think 2 Series here. And down at the end, we got 2 Ram pickups. Not sure if you can see those over there. A couple more Ram pickups here. What is this, Yukon? Oh, Gmc Denali, of course, with the grille. Dodge Ram 1500. 2 Suburbans. Why do I think these two Suburbans with the same color were side by side before? My last video. GMC Denali. I think these are both Denalis down here. Those are nice. These are probably locked. You know what? I'll take a look. Usually, pretty much anything down here is locked at the end. What do you know? It's open. Okay. And just waiting for the mileage to come up. It's got 31,000 on this. Yeah, these are actually really nice. Bose audio. Lots of room, nice leather interior. Lots of room in the back. Climate control in the back. Looks like USB-C power plugs in the back. There's another Yukon over there. A couple more further down. I don't usually go down those aisles. There's a bunch of stuff over there. It's another Suburban, I think. We've got a Kia SUV here, a Buick, Jeep Grand Cherokee with the sunroof. That must be a limited. Another Cherokee here, smaller Mitsubishi, a Chrysler 300, and you know, there might be some interesting stuff over here. Let's just do a quick wander over. Hyundai Accent. Oh, we gotta see, you know, we don't see these soft top Wranglers very often. Is this, yeah, this is up for rent, eh? And it's got Canada plates on it, right? And there's a Rubicon down there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see these soft top Wranglers very often. Oh, this is fairly new plates. Let me see if I can pop in here and check the mileage. It's about 20,000 kilometers. There's another Rubicon over there. A couple big SUVs. A couple more of those Denalis. Mitsubishi SUV. There's a Buick down there. All right, let's wander back over. One more aisle over here. We can do the 2 sides. There's that XT, I think that's the XT, yeah, that's the XT5, or is it an XT4? You know, that might actually be an XT4. Yeah, it is. It is, there you go, okay. Squeeze between these here. And we got a newer Nissan Rogue, Mitsubishi SUV. On the Mitsubishi, we got a Sonata. Chevy Traverse. Got a VW. Actually, you know what? There's 2 more aisles over here. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but feel free to watch this on a higher speed if you just want to see the cars. Okay, we got another Murano. A bunch of 300s. Rogue. Another BMW 330. Got an Explorer. Sunroof, so it's probably a limited. Camry. of these Mazda, maybe like a CX-9. Down there we got a smaller Nissan, maybe like a Sentra, or an Altima, probably an Altima. Kia Kona. And we got somebody coming through with a Mitsubishi. Another BMW here. Sorry, I'm just trying not to get run over. Alright, and there's some interesting stuff here. Let's go through. Oh, they got a lot of these GMC Denalis. I wonder if they just got a shipment of them in. 2 Series BMW, another Denali. Got a Hyundai, a couple Hyundais. And we got a Dodge Challenger. This one might be a little bit newer too. Newer plates, sunroof. I'll figure out how to rent one of these sometime because they're pretty sold out for the summer on reservations. Okay, it's got the bigger radio, about 13,000 kilometers. Are these? Well, it's got the blackout. So this has got the blackout trim on it. Is it all-wheel drive? Oh, it is too. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see with the blackout, but there's the 4 there. I wonder if they'll rent these in the wintertime. That would be awesome. They rent them year-round. There's a Grand Wagoneer over here. If you want to take a peek at that, just go back to some earlier Avis videos. Just look for the Wagoneer on the thumbnail. And you'll see a couple of them there. And we got a Hyundai, Corolla, VW, Mazda, probably Mazda 3. Another Caravan here. And we got a Hyundai, Chevy Blazer. And we got a BMW SUV. And then we got one more of these Mustang convertibles. I really like that black with the two-tone. And I think that's going to wrap things up. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Want to see more of these videos, click that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.